Here we have a 2023 ATX 24 Type S. This is the stone and black exterior. This one is equipped with the transom transformation package, giving you those lift-up seats in the back. Also has the all-new electric tower, standard with the boat. Walking up through the transom, you got your retractable ski pylon for tubing and skiing. You also have a full walk through here, so you're not stepping on any cushions. These are the seats that can also, two different positions, and then also lay all the way down. So you can do a full swim platform. This is the 24-foot ATX, rated for up to 18 people. Interior, we have the natural tan and the black accent secondary color. We also have the natural dash. This one's equipped with the Go surf system and the zero off. It's also got the smart wing controls behind the steering wheel here, the wireless phone charger. We have the power icon audio system with the sub, amp, and pair of tower speakers with the RGB lighting. This also has the electric tower. The push of a button will lower the tower up and down. We have the swivel bungee board racks here for surf and wake. Here's the bow area. It's got a nice step out, so you can board from the bow. This Bimini does have the surf storage as well. We have the reversible seat here that can face backwards when you have riders. We have the premium brushed graphite flooring as well. This boat is available at SkipperBud's, Sequoia Harbor in Antioch, Illinois. For any questions or inquiries, please give us a call at 847-395-6101.